is now, 2 weeks after a lumbar decompression and stabilisation, you've got underlying rheumatoid, haven't you? So the joints are affected. Anaesthetic.
Yeah.
But in terms of, from your spine point of view, you're standing so much straighter. Do you feel straight?
I feel straight.
Yeah.
I try to do straight.
Yeah. Much better than you were before. And any pain in your legs?
No, not really.
Yeah.
I've got some pain, but it's mostly what I always had with rheumatoid.
But compared to before?
100%.
Let's see you have a little walk. Fantastic. That's good. And then back you go. The other way again. Be careful with the step. Good. And just in terms of your flexibility, can you bend a little bit to? Wow, good, excellent. That's fine. And straighten up, and then to one side, and the other side. Wow, only 2 weeks after surgery as a day case, you went home on the same day, and you were okay at home.
Yeah. Oh, well, I wasn't the first to, because I had a reaction to the anaesthetic and a reaction to the antibiotics, so I had to change the antibiotic. But
Yeah, good, fantastic, perfect.